Hey guys, today I am doing this timeless glittery gold look. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. First I am using Cetaphil moisturizer for moisturizing my face. Next I am using this Tinted lip balm for lip moisturization. For primer, I am applying Giordani primer with the help of my fingertips. This is very smooth primer. It provides you very soft touch. For my little bit spots, I am using green color corrector and spreading all over my face and applying my concealer stick on it. I am applying orange in my stick under and inner of my eye corners and blending all the things with the help of my blending brush. Base, today instead of foundation, I am using Pond's BB cream. I love this BB cream. It gives you good coverage and it's long lasting. I am spreading it with the help of my beauty blender brush. I am using compact powder with the help of my technical brush and applying it all over my face. For blush, I am using Giordani bronzing and using cream based contouring for enhancing my face features and blending properly with the help of my blending brush. Moving to my eyes, I am using light brown shade and applying it on my crease line, outer to inner side. I am using dark eyeshadow as my transition shade and applying on my crease line. help of concealer, and from Nika I am taking golden color for my eyelid. Taking white shade for inner corner of my eyes. Now I am applying iconic kajal. Applied false lashes and applying mascara over it. For highlighting part, I am using golden highlighter on high features of my face. Eyebrow, I am using brown gel kajal. At last, applying red lipstick from Maybellin. So guys, this is my final look. Hope you guys like it. If you enjoyed watching my video, so please subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video.